Okay, and I am back with week 4's Kit Conspiracy Kit, and if you guys have noticed throughout the weeks of Kit Conspiracy for April, Janet and I have been bringing in less and less product from a collection to show you guys how to add to, and that was the whole purpose, and I forgot to say that in the last couple of Kit Share videos. So the very first week we did an entire collection. It was one of everything. Here it is. Bam. We used it all and hardly had to add anything except to personalize the page for us. And then Spectrum Sherbert Kit for week 2 was just using leftover bits and pieces, but again, it was such a huge collection, we really didn't have to add to it except to help us personalize it. And then the next week, with the Minte Garage, we used the Garage, but Minte is still a very brand new product, or a very brand new manufacturer. They're still trying to get into the swing of things. They have the chipboard, and they have die cuts, and they have cut aparts, all that good jazz, but still not enough to add, I don't know, substance to your layouts. So we did have to add a little bit, but not too much, to all of their goodies and whatnot. So for this week, all we brought in was a page or a collection kit, a paper collection from Simple Stories. And this one here is called Cottage Fields. Now I do have to say that this one paper right here, this 4x6 cut apart sheet, is not in this collection. We had to remove it to use it elsewhere for another project for Janet and I together. But everything else is in this collection, as well as the sticker sheet. So clearly, from the papers and the stickers and these 3 cut apart cards, we will be adding to this collection. Now, I don't have anything else from this Simple Vintage Cottage Fields paper line. I don't own anything else. Like I said, this was a spur of the moment type of deal. But Janet and I wanted to challenge ourselves to add things to this paper, like what in her stash works with this, what in my stash works with this, again, with our styles, right? So these are definitely not, a few of these are not my style at all, but again, I like a good challenge and I like to bring in some things. Now this is not too pink for me. These redder bits still are not that pink, but they're there. It's still pink. So anyways, let's get started. I've got the cover sheet. That's, the cover sheet. This is pretty. Like if you look at it like this, it's very pretty. It's got that green on this gorgeous black. This is kind of pretty because it's not too pink. It actually could be read as a white. Same with these, but then as soon as you bring this in, these look pink. And then it makes this look pink. So, because this is white, that's probably why it is. Well, it's off-white. But it is still a very pretty piece. And like I said, if I go like this and just have the leaves and things, that's pretty to me. I could use that a lot. So we'll see what I can do with this. And the other side is this very peach gingham. And I'm serious, you guys. It is peach. It is not pink at all. It is definitely a peach for a gingham. And then you've got this gorgeous wood. It's like a printed wood door or a barn door or a side of a barn. Very pretty. I like these. And then a beautiful black with a print on the polka dots. So these are my favorite polka dots from Simple Stories. I like this collage-y one. I really do. Okay. And then this beautiful blue. Very springy. Some of them are really dark and some of them are really bright. That is different for this collection. That's very different. This one's beautiful. I love this. I love this bold butterfly sticking out. Very pretty. And then I have, oh, this is nice. Almost looks like stenciled butterflies. That's very pretty. Do you guys see those on that grid? Very pretty. Very pretty. Now, I've never actually opened this packet yet. We purchased it to help us with our cruise kit, and it was just something that we were adding different into the kit, and we had leftovers, and so Janet and I are like, well, let's use this. Okay. So I haven't actually opened it. It's nothing that I would have definitely bought. This one I'm not so sure about. Maybe in spurts, like little bits. Maybe. Itty bitty little bit. Ooh, bird. But these are real reactions, you guys. So you could tell that I'm just not as excited as I was for the first 3 kits. I like this. Do you see the polka dot on polka dot on polka dot? Probably not. Let me get close to where you guys can. There you go. There's like circle ringlet thingies inside. So it's polka dot on polka dot. Or circles on polka dot. Or polka dots on circles. That's kind of cool. It plays tricks with the eyes. So these are too big. I'm not going to lie. But I like this. So if I just do this, like a photo, and I just do this, it works for me. Right? So I'm okay with that. It just works for me. I do like that little butterfly sitting like that. So a smaller print of the black one. See, that one I can deal with. This one was a bit too big. That one's a bit too big, but this one I like. That one I might be able to make work. Okay. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love this. Ooh. Okay, my favorite paper so far. So far. I like the collage paper too. Oh, the little bee. So cute. Okay, I have some My Mind's Eye items that would work with that. Yes, I do. Match this beautifully. Nice. Ooh. That says outdoors. Absolutely. I like this one too. Okay, and now we have the cut aparts. So these are the 2x2 cut aparts. Lots of usable items. Lots of fussy cut, be you, do you, for you. I like that, this photo. Lots of usable elements in here. So I don't really have to bring in unless I want different sizes. But there's lots of good cutouts right here. And then there's this cute little collage going on. A couple little peaky butterflies. It all begins with you. Hold on to hope for tomorrow. Ooh, I like this one. Yep. Usable items, you guys. Very usable. This one's pretty too. I really like this peach color. I really do like this peach color. That is gorgeous. Okay. I like this one too. Ooh. I know. I went straight to the pink. That's just really pretty with the wings sticking out with that cluster. It's nice and bold and very pretty. I like that. Okay, and then again, the My Mind's Eye butterflies. I have flare that will work with this. And that's all I have is flare, but at least then I'll get it used, right? And then I have a sticker collection. Sticker sheets. All I see is pink. Pink and 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 pink. Pink, 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 pink. That's all I see, you guys. Just because it's over there, but that element is right there. That's pretty. This is, oh, that's cool. The butterfly with the clock. That brings in a different feel for me. Okay, I can make this work. Yep. So as I build my layout, you know, my little smaller kit for a layout using these papers, I will be adding to this collection to make this paper work for what I need. Okay, that is the whole point of this. So for this kit conspiracy, we started off with a full collection and then dwindled it down. Even though Minte's was also a full collection, there just wasn't enough pieces for us to work with. Well, and yes, there was, but no, there wasn't. That looks weird. Those are weird R's. Very weird R's. I just saw that. All right, you guys. So that is what I have for you guys today. I really do look forward to playing with this. Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday are our guaranteed days. And then if we have time to create during the week, we will be doing that as well. Having a few bonus layouts for you guys. All right. Thank you so much, and I'll check y'all later. Bye.